It's 7 a.m. We're in Peoria, Arizona, suburban Phoenix. I'm a suburban man. I've lived in this neighborhood for over 30 years. Hope I'll stay here for as long as I possibly can. I'm not really an urban guy. I lived in some crowded areas. I grew up in Minneapolis, which was very crowded, and Los Angeles, which is crazy crowded. And this neighborhood is just perfect for me. It's urban enough that there's places around here to go get fast food and such, but it's rural enough that it doesn't feel crowded. So Phoenix is a little bit country, a little bit rock and roll. It depends on your point of view if you think it's too urban or too rural. For me, it's the perfect balance. I think I tend to lean a little bit towards the urban side, although I'm not really a dazzling urbanite. I've never lived anywhere like New York or Paris. And even in Los Angeles, I just lived in the valley. It was crowded enough there. Of course, crowded means lots of job opportunities and lots of beautiful women. Lots of them. But I really got tired of the noise and the traffic. I'm someone who likes a little peace and quiet, like this. Now don't get me wrong, there's a lot of traffic around here, and there's a lot of noise and confusion, but I get up real early in the morning, I stay in the back roads, and this works really well for me. I like it here. Birds. Are those pigeons? No, grackles. Well, let's see, the temperature probably in the mid-60s. I didn't look at the forecast. It's nice. Clear skies, smooth sailing. I'm going to be out here for a couple of hours. My next stop will be Sweetwater Park. We'll be there in just a few minutes. Where was I? Oh yeah, living in suburbia. I like it here. Since my attitude about living here is kind of in between suburban and rural, I enjoy listening to people describe this area as either, oh my gosh, it's so crowded, there's so much traffic, or my friends from California, wow, look at all these parking spaces. Coming up on a main street, this is Cactus Road, so I'm going to go get up on the sidewalk, perfectly legal here, and it's really the smart way to go. These big main streets are essentially mini freeways. Cars are going pretty fast on it, as they should. The posted speed limit is 40 miles an hour, but nobody goes that slow. Usually anywhere between 50 up to 60. If you go any faster than that, you are going to cause a problem. And if you go any slower, you're going to cause a problem too. This is the big city. It's early in the morning, so there's really not much traffic yet. But when it starts to get crowded, certain things that you could do easily in less congested areas, like always turn left out of driveways, really can't be done here. Well, not safely. People do try. And yes, it's true. If you've heard that Phoenix is the red light running capital of the world, I see it all the time. And really it's a combination of these big, flat, perfectly maintained roads, the great visibility, the higher speeds, and one other thing. And I see this, and I hear this all the time. When the light starts to turn yellow, People accelerate, and sometimes they misjudge and they hit the intersection when it's red, and if they misjudge real badly, they'll hit someone who's going the other way. It's noisy. The good news is that modern cars can run into each other really fast, and there's airbags and crumple zones and all that, so usually things look worse than they really are, at least as far as the people inside are concerned. Still, it's gotta be a hassle when you get into an accident or even a little fender bender, especially when it's over 100 degrees and you gotta stand outside of your car and the cops have to come by. By the way, just in case you're wondering, although it's legal for me to ride up on the sidewalk like this, I don't have pedestrian right-of-way, and I don't have the right to just go crazy fast. I have to watch where I'm going. People really can't see me. I'm slowing down here. Watch this very courteous driver. He's gonna slow down for me, and he's gonna back up when he sees me. Cool. Thank you. There are good people out there. I really appreciate it. This is my neighborhood, suburban Phoenix. I like it a lot here, and I appreciate people who look out for me. I'm doing what I can to be as visible as possible. This is a team effort. Thank you. The city of Peoria redid the landscaping along here, and I think it looks great. And they did it, I guess they did it all for me. Thank you, city of Peoria. Turning into the neighborhood again, I'm going to head it over to Sweetwater Park. To turn left here, I'm indicating a left turn with my hand, with my left hand. I'm enough of an urbanite to have gotten into the habit of using my turn signals because like places like Los Angeles, there are always people around you. There's nobody behind me right now. But if I don't indicate with a turn signal, I just itch. Like I say, this is a cooperative effort with my neighbors in cars, not competitive. I'm going to give them every opportunity to not have a Brad and tricycle hood ornament. I'm not trying to make things difficult for them. I don't ride at night. I have lights on the trike, but nothing like a white strobe light that blinds drivers. I've seen people do that. I do try to hold my tongue and not criticize people when I see them on bikes, making things very difficult for drivers. So I'll say it here. Share the road. Take your right of way. You have as much right as anybody to be on this road. But please, for my sake, stop antagonizing people in cars. The life you save may be mine. Here we are at Sweetwater Park. I, again, don't try to ride the bike right through the parking lot where people can't see me. There's a little ramp here, going low and slow. This is a wonderful, peaceful place to sit and ponder, for children to play. Suburbia. I like it here. Restrooms, picnic tables, and a little bit of shade. That's all I need. I'm going to stop and have some lunch. Thanks for riding along with me. I'll see you next time.